Hello. Did you know that the sweet treat you enjoy every day could be silently killing you? Your liver, your body's unsung hero, might be in danger without you even realizing it. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mystery of fatty liver disease and how sugar, that hidden villain, is destroying your health. Get ready for a shocking revelation and discover how you can reverse this condition before it's too late. Stick with me till the end and save your liver. But first, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and ring the notification bell to receive all our updates. And tell me, did you know that even if you don't drink alcohol or smoke, you can still have fatty liver disease? Where in the world are you watching from? Write it down below. Let's get started. What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease, also known as hepatic steatosis, is a condition where there's an excessive buildup of fat in the liver cells. This can happen for various reasons, such as an unhealthy diet, sedentary lifestyle, obesity, diabetes, and even excessive alcohol consumption. There are two main types of this condition: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This is the most common form of chronic liver disease worldwide, affecting about 25 to 30% of the adult population. NAFLD is closely linked to a modern unhealthy lifestyle, characterized by high sugar diet. Excessive consumption of fructose, found in sweetened beverages and ultra-processed foods, overloads the liver, leading to fat production. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pasta, and other processed foods rapidly raise blood sugar levels, contributing to insulin resistance and fat buildup in the liver. Harmful fats, excessive consumption of saturated and trans fats, found in fried and processed foods, also contributes to NAFLD. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity reduces the body's ability to burn fat, favoring its accumulation in the liver. Obesity, excess weight, especially abdominal fat, increases the risk of NAFLD. Type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance, a characteristic of type 2 diabetes, is a significant risk factor for NAFLD. Metabolic syndrome. The combination of abdominal obesity, hypertension, dyslipidemia, and insulin resistance significantly increases the risk of NAFLD. Alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD. This form of steatosis is caused by excessive alcohol consumption, which damages liver cells and impairs their ability to metabolize fat. The amount of alcohol needed to cause AFLD varies from person to person, depending on genetic factors, sex, and other risk factors. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to a series of stages of liver disease, from simple steatosis to alcoholic cirrhosis. Complications of fatty liver disease. If left untreated, fatty liver disease can progress to serious complications. See how serious it is? Non-alcoholic steatohepatitis NASH, liver inflammation caused by fat buildup, hepatic fibrosis, scarring of the liver which can impair its function. Cirrhosis, advanced liver scarring, which can lead to liver failure. Liver cancer, cirrhosis increases the risk of developing hepatocellular carcinoma. Cardiovascular disease, NAFLD, is associated with an increased risk of heart and vascular diseases. Type 2 diabetes, NAFLD and type 2 diabetes share risk factors and can worsen each other. The hidden enemy of your liver, sugar. Many people believe that excess fat in the diet is the main cause of fatty liver. But in reality, the real villain is sugar, especially industrialized fructose found in sodas, boxed juices, sweets, and ultra-processed foods. Here's what happens when we consume too much sugar. The liver turns excess sugar into fat, which accumulates in the organ. Excess fructose increases hepatic lipogenesis, meaning it stimulates the liver to produce even more fat. High sugar consumption generates insulin resistance, which further favors fat deposition in the liver. Sweetened beverages like sodas can double the risk of developing fatty liver. In other words, it's not just the visible fat in foods that harms the liver, but the hidden sugars in various everyday products. Now tell me in the comments, do you usually consume a lot of sugar daily? Do you read food labels to know the amount of sugar you're ingesting? Leave your answer below in the comments. Signs that your liver is overloaded. Fatty liver can be silent in the beginning, but some symptoms may indicate that something is wrong. Constant fatigue and feeling tired for no apparent reason. Pain or discomfort on the right side of the abdomen. Bloated belly and difficulty losing weight. Loss of appetite or feeling full. Yellowish skin and eyes in more severe cases. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to see a doctor to assess your liver health. How to naturally reverse fatty liver. Now for the good news. Fatty liver can be reversed. But you need to change habits and take care of your diet. Here are some key tips. First, reduce sugar and refined carbohydrate consumption. Avoid sodas, sweets, white bread, cakes, refined pasta, and industrialized juices. Prefer complex carbohydrates like oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice. Replace refined sugar with natural sweeteners like stevia, honey, and xylitol. Second, focus on foods that cleanse the liver. Lemon stimulates liver detoxification and improves digestion. Avocado, rich in glutathione, an essential antioxidant for the liver. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables contain compounds that help the liver metabolize toxins. Green tea has catechins that protect the liver against fat buildup. Garlic and onion stimulate liver enzymes that eliminate toxins. Nuts provide arginine and omega-3 south, aiding liver health. Third, practice physical exercise. Regular physical exercise helps reduce liver fat and improves insulin sensitivity. Daily walking, excellent for beginners and helps burn calories lightly. Resistance training weightlifting increases metabolism and reduces visceral fat. Aerobic activities running, cycling, swimming reduce hepatic fat accumulation. Fourth, control body weight. Losing 5 to 10% of body weight significantly improves liver function. Maintaining a balanced diet and avoiding excessive calorie consumption helps in the process. Sleeping well and reducing stress are also important factors to avoid weight gain. Fifth, drink more water. Hydration is essential for toxin elimination and good liver function. Ideally, drink at least 2 liters of water per day. Fatty liver is a serious problem that can be prevented and treated with changes in diet and lifestyle. Reducing sugar consumption, investing in natural foods, and maintaining an active lifestyle are essential attitudes for a healthy liver. So, have you started taking better care of your liver? What did you think of these tips? Tell us in the comments. And if you liked this content, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. And remember, always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. Want to continue learning about health? Also, watch these videos. The real reason to drink water on an empty stomach every day, which nobody tells you. And my video about your liver is dying. 13 strange signs of liver damage you need to know. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote everyone's well-being. Subscribe for more health videos.